Okay, so Windows 11 is around the corner and supposedly it has rounded corners as well. Great. With that, a lot of people are now trying to get Windows 11 installed on their machines and they want to understand if their laptops are good enough for installing Windows 11. So there is a list of requirements that you'll need to satisfy before your laptop can get Windows 11. There was this PC Health Check app which would tell you whether it is eligible for a Windows 11 upgrade or not. However, Microsoft have pulled it down for some reason. You do get these minimum system requirements here though. And one of the conditions that is causing a lot of concern is this, the TPM, the Trusted Platform Module. What is a TPM? Well, if I don't know about TPM and I had not heard of TPM before Windows 11 came on the horizon, but it turns out to be a hardware-based security-related function provider on your laptop chip. This is primarily being pushed because of all these ransomware attacks that keep happening also frequently these days. And TPM is one, not a fail-safe option, but a good enough option to avoid those kind of attacks. Windows 11 is making it mandatory because it wants your laptop to be secure, especially if it's a laptop being used in office for business purposes. So that's TPM. So now how do we check whether your laptop has TPM? Of course, you can wait for this PC Health Checkup app to come up and you can use that to see if your laptop is eligible for Windows 11 or not. However, if you don't want to wait till then, because we don't know when that is going to happen, you can follow this video and see whether your laptop has TPM. If your laptop has TPM, most probably it will have the rest of it as well. How do you go about doing it? You go to the Start menu, you click on Settings, and then you click on Update and Security. Once there, you go under Recovery and you click on Restart Now. Once you click on that, you get these options. Click on Troubleshoot, click on Advanced Options, and then choose the UEFI firmware settings. Once done, click on Restart. Next up on the BIOS settings screen, go to Security, and if your laptop has TPM, it should show up somewhere here. So well, that also means that my Dell Inspiron 3542 is not going to get Windows 11, most probably. It is a tad disappointing that Windows is going to stop supporting older laptops. Does it mean that I'll stop using my laptop and get a new one? Of course not. My laptop, though old, has been pretty competent, and after adding an SSD, it's been pretty fast as well. If you've not checked that video, do check out how to add an SSD to your laptop, and that will really help speed up your laptop. Now let's look at how the TPM security settings will look like on a laptop which actually has it. So most probably it might happen that your laptop has TPM on it, but it's not enabled yet. So I'll show you how to go about enabling TPM on your laptop if you have TPM on it. So now coming on to the question of how does TPM actually look like. So this is another laptop that I currently have, which is a Dell Latitude E5470. Here again in the BIOS settings, if you go under security, you will see this option called TPM 2.0 security. And if you see here, you can see that it is set to on. So that is what Windows 11 requires you to have. You need to have TPM 2.0 security and you have to have it enabled. Now TPM being a security feature, I think finding it on personal laptops might be a little rare. If you have an old laptop and it's a personal laptop, most probably you will not have TPM security on it. So before you go about downloading and trying to install Windows 11, it would be a good idea to check if your laptop has TPM 2.0 security on it. It also means that if you don't have TPM, you cannot install Windows 11. So yes, if it's an old laptop, most probably you're not going to get Windows 11. Or should you change your laptop just to get Windows 11? Again, most probably no.